You could basically take it off from the axle back if you needed to replace something or even use the spare tire. You don't have to basically remove the whole entire thing, or if you need to work on the real differential, then you could do so. Just removing the middle part, you don't have to remove the whole exhaust. We use 2.5 stainless steel as we mentioned before, and along with the X pipe, and right here we made a bolt on just like it comes from factory, just to ensure that if the customer wants to basically put the stock muffler back on, he could do whenever he wants to do it.